Tuberculosis is a global problem. There are about 1.5 million people around the world that die from TB every year. And the most resistant forms, the most difficult to treat forms of tuberculosis have been found in 130 countries globally.
Tuberculosis is an airborne disease which is easily contracted. So the main risk factor is breathing. We all breathe, so we're all at risk of contracting tuberculosis.
There is no effective vaccine capable of stopping people from getting infected from tuberculosis. Second, although we have some drugs, this seems to be insufficient to cure tuberculosis in many cases, those caused by multi-drug resistant tuberculosis strains.
The reasons for this natural resistance are unknown. Some of them we're beginning to understand, others we hope to understand in the course of the ERA4TB project.
I think ERA4TB is all about innovation. We really want to have solutions in patients that are gold solutions.
So by using novel imaging techniques that could be translational, we can test our animal models in the same way that we are checking or analyzing the data from our patients. That will facilitate the translation and will speed up the development of the drugs.
We basically have the opportunity to explore in the computer how drugs interact, basically looking at the pharmacology and the safety in a mechanistic way whenever possible.
For example, one of those that we are going to implement, thanks to the project at our institution, the University of Zaragoza, is going to help us to define how to better combine these drugs. This new technology is called the hollow fiber system for tuberculosis, and it's an in vitro technology that allows us to mimic human pharmacokinetic profiles of the different drugs in an in vitro system.
Our main expectation is that we do some great science and we work with some fantastic scientists from around Europe and the world.
Together we will be able to bring a new series of new drugs to the clinical testing phase and essentially come up with a drug combination that treats TB patients in a shorter period of time and is safer than the current available treatment.